Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to cover some important current affairs. We took the important current affairs based on analysis of previous year KVS exam question papers. So these questions are very important for the KVS aspirants. So let us discuss the current affairs. So first one is ePAN. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has officially launched the facility of instant PAN through Aadhaar. The new facility is now available for those PAN applicants who possess a valid Aadhaar number and have a mobile number registered with Aadhaar. The electronic PAN is issued to the applicants free of cost. Then second news is CIPET. CIPET old name is Central Institute of Plastics Engineering and Technology. Now this one is renamed as Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology. Union Minister for Chemistry, Chemicals and Fertilizers is Mr. D.V. Sadananda Gowda. The name changed has been registered under the Tamil Nadu Societies Registration Act 1975. Next one is about the obituaries. Bajan Darwala, he passed away recently. He is the astrologer and he belongs to Ahmedabad. Bajan Darwala was ranked among the 100 great astrologers in the last 1000 years in the Millennium Book of Prophecy. That is very important. So he was ranked among the 100 great astrologers in the last 1000 years in the Millennium Book of Prophecy. Next one is about NDB. NDB means New Development Bank. So in the New Development Bank, recently the new president is Marcos Trojo. He has been selected as the new president of NDB. He belongs to Brazil. KV Kamath took over as the president of NDB in 2015. And next news is Xistocerca gregaria. This is the scientific name of desert locust. So the desert locust is one of the species of grasshopper family and is known as Xistocerca gregaria. Next one is, this is very important current affair about Suman Gavani. Indian Army Major Suman Gavani has been selected for the prestigious United Nations Military Gender Advocate Award along with her Carla Monteiro de Castro Arajova, a Brazilian. He also got the same award, and Suman Gavani is the first Indian she received this award. Next, regarding delimitation panel, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah has been nominated as an associate member of the delimitation panel from Jammu and Kashmir. Indian government has removed the restrictions imposed on the export of active pharmaceutical ingredients of paracetamol with immediate effect. Paracetamol is a common pain reliever. Paracetamol was first made in the year of 1877. It features on World Health Organization list of essential medicines. First Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. First Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh Ajit Jogi passed away on May 29 at the age of 74. Ajit Pramod Kumar Jogi served as the first Chief Minister of the newly formed state of Chhattisgarh from November 2000 to November 2003. He was then a member of the Indian National Congress. Ajit Jogi announced his separation from the Congress party and formed the Janata Congress.